The organization of companies and employment practices have changed drastically over the last few decades. Globalization has played a major role in this change, as well as determining how manufacturing and employment relations have evolved. Globalization considers the intersection of homogenization and local diversity, also known as glocalization, to turn organizations into a well-fit, high-performing model. According to Associate Professor Atsushi SUMI from the School of Business Administration, Meiji University, several studies have shown specific patterns of glocalization in countries that are part of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. 4 aspects summarize the overall changes in these companies. These include more involvement of the management in employment relationships, flexibility in the workplace, prioritization of worker skills, and a decrease in unionization. In these organizations, at a global level, there is a tendency to converge and homogenize employment relations and organizations. However, at a local level, increasing diversity manifests itself through wages, employment practices, human resource management, corporate governance, and the work organization of each country. National policy and institutional frameworks of the country also contribute to the local diversity. Interestingly, there are some common patterns seen in companies' response to globalization. These include factors like declining wages, increased role of human resource management, importance of teams, and the use of Japanese-style human resource management. Globalization has caused a convergence of markets, organizations, and employment practices at a global level while diversifying these at a national and regional level. Although certain common trends do exist, the process of change in manufacturing organizations and employment practices as they inch towards globalization are complex and vary across organizations.